Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove logos from your videos in CapCut PC. So for this, you do need a pro feature. Copy and paste your video, and I'm just going to freeze frame the clip. Then I'm just going to go to AI remove here, and I'm going to select either the brush to select, or it's going to like recognize it, or you can use the quick brush as well here. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, and then I'm going to kind of like go over the part that I want to remove. I'm just going to do it like quickly because it's going to take me like ages to do it like super neat. Like that. Then you're just going to select remove and then press apply. Okay, it's still loading, so just be patient. And as you can see, it's gone from it. You're just going to use the mask because it's a moving picture, add mask, and I'm just going to put it over like the logo, mask it, and feather it out a little bit. And that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!